We go to Kampton. That win is straight money for Noel Kampton. Now with 4 points here in the opening set.
So it has been Kampton and Ronquillo who's leading here for DLSU. On the other side, it's Paulino, Menor, and Aguilar, all with 3 points each.
Kampton again. Back-to-back points for Noel Kampton. He has came to play here.
That's right. Really making a statement on the opening game for DLSU.
And he loves that left pin of his since season 85. Kampton.
Read by Kampton. Really did not leave his man.
Bokita on the combination, and Kampton, that's just a heat check right there.
Excellent play from LaSalle. And I guess it all starts, of course, with a good first ball. Best combination we've seen so far in this game.
That forces Adamson to call a timeout with the Green Spikers up 20-16. Miscommunication on that first ball. What a dig there by Paulino. Guerrero, Bokita, Kampton. And there goes set number 1. What a way to end for Noel Kampton. He has been that main character all throughout. As we take a look at this one more time.
This time, Kampton goes down the line.
There you have it.